Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Google TV streamer remote. So if it's not working or something like that, hold down the mute button and the center dial button, just like this. And after about 10 seconds you're going to hear a sound play. And once that stops, we can let go. So you're going to see it right here. Alright, go ahead and let go. Now remove the back cover. And once you have one battery removed, hold down the home button. Then place in the battery and the remote will make a sound. So after the sound stops playing, you can go ahead and let go now. And if you look at your TV, the TV should be working and your remote should be connected. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.